A very good morning to one and all, my dear children. My dear children, yesterday we have started with the chapter phrasal verbs. And what does phrasal verb mean? A verb which is followed by a preposition or an adverb is called as a phrasal verb. So we have done with examples, we have learned the rules and from the textbook as well as something from Google also. Today also I am going to give you something more with the flashcards. Just see over here. Sit down, stand up, pick up. These are the verbs, that is like wake up, take away, throw away, turn on, turn off, grow up. Just see the flashcards, the pictures also shown. So it will be very easy for you to study. Next, come in, go out, put on, get in, get out, take out, run away, look for, look after. These are also some phrasal verbs with the flashcards with the pictures shown on that. Next, just see over here. To clear up, to get up, just see here. Next, to bring up, see the pictures properly. To clear up, to get up, to bring up, to call up, everywhere up is used, just see. To fill up, to give up, just see the pics. Everywhere up is used, here on the first also over there, and now over here also. Can you see? Next, to look up, to grow up, to go up. Just see the pics. Now just see over here. Now over here the word is given look. What does it mean? It means to, up, ahead, back, for. See, look back, look for, look forward to, look in, look on, look out, look round, look through, look to, look up, look ahead. What does all that tells us? Now what does look to tells us? Look to means it is telling us that is Tracy on somebody or something. Okay, test on somebody or something. Now we are through. Look through, that means look or read something quickly and briefly. Look through means read something quickly and briefly. Next is look round. Look round means turn to, look at something behind you. Look around means to look everywhere. That means turn to look at the back, behind you, or something which you're finding. Look out. Watch what is happening and be careful. Look out means watch what is going on everywhere, or what is happening, and be careful. Look on means watch something without taking part yourself. Look on that, but watch something, but don't take part in that. Don't take part, okay? Watch something without taking part of yourself. So that is to look on. Look in. It means visit a person or a place for a short time. Look in means visit a person or a place for a very short period. Forward, that is look forward to. Feel pleased and excited about something that is going to happen. Look forward to means you have to feel pleased happy, okay, and excited about something that is going to happen. Something which is going to happen, you have to feel happy or excited. So you have to look forward. Look for, it means try to find something. Look for means you are trying to find something. Look back, it means to think about something that happened in the past. Look back, मागचं बघा. That means to think about something that happened in the past. Look ahead, पुढचं बघा. That means think about what is going to happen in the future. And then you make your plans. Look ahead means think about what is going to happen in the future and make your plans. Look up, it means find the information in a book, on a map, or a timetable. Look up, that means you have to see what is going on. Find the information in your book or a map or a timetable. So my dear children, here this is all what I taught. It is look. So for that they have shown a different meanings. So same way you can find on the Google also some more this for on, in, up, okay, back, everything you will get it. But you write all this in your notebook. Go through it, all these rules. If you have any difficulty, please write it down in your notebook. We will solve it when we come back or when we meet, my dear children. So yesterday also I taught you phrasal verbs. Today I taught you something extra. So but you have to go through your books as well as from your Google you can search many more. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay home. Stay safe.